Dear students, now I am here to enlighten you on the two topics of composition in chapter 12 of your comprehension book. In the composition of chapter 12, Ringelmark cup, the first exercise A is about writing a story on treasure. So you are supposed to narrate a story, on treasures or on treasure hunting, what you read, what you heard. Now, to help you out, I will narrate a small story type which I have heard about treasures. It's a sample for you. If you know something like that, you may write. Okay. So there was a farmer who came to know about some treasure in the neighboring field. So he wanted to get the treasure. He went to home, talked to his family members and said, there is a very, very valuable thing in a land near to our land. So if you buy that land and get that treasure, we can become very, very rich. And the family members with all joy wholeheartedly said, do it immediately. Otherwise somebody will get the treasure and we will not get it. So the man sold all the property he had, went and bought that small piece of land, dug it and took the treasure. It was so valuable, precious, he could sell for so many lakhs of rupees, maybe 10 times bigger than his property that he had. So the moral of the story is, if you come across something precious, a treasure, you will sell all that you have and you will get it. Okay. So that is what is a treasure. It's something precious, something valuable. Okay. It's a small story. Now, if you had a similar story, one page or so, you may narrate, and write. Now let's go to the question B in the composition. That is asking you to write a paragraph on something that you like the most, which you will not like to get away with, something very special to you. Now let me narrate something that is very special to me. It's not a small thing or movable good. It's an immovable property. Something very special. So I'll narrate it in a paragraph. I suddenly developed the interest to put up a model organic farm, a small farm. This had come out gradually in the idea of living with nature, having a natural life or natural food, a healthy food, organic food. So with all the money that I had, the resources support from my family, I got some 2 acres of land from my father and put up a small model organic farming. So I cleaned the place thoroughly, put a fence, brought electricity, put a borewell, installed a submersible pump, started cultivating vegetables. I produced my own manure, organic manure like vermicompost, panchagavya, mean amilam, fish amilam, and so on. I had also made a research on that organic farming. It was a research paper for my PhD. So I love that farm very much. Even today, I don't want to dispose it. It's very precious to me. And in my life, that was the first achievement or realization of my dream. So I would like to always own it.